Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to give you 3 actionable steps that you could do today to help increase your Google Maps rankings.
Want to rise in the ranks real quick? Have people click your Google My Business listing. I'm going to show you how. In Google, and let's just say I typed in the keyword Tampa plastic surgery, right? And these are the search results that came up. Let's just say that I was Dr. Greenwald. So what I would do is I would just click this link. This is his Google My Business listing. I would take the link right up here, copy that link, go to bit.ly. What we want to do is we want to shorten that link because we can't send this link over to anybody. Shorten the link to this right here. And then we click save. Go to YouTube and create a local YouTube ad that's just in your city. And you create a small ad. You use the bit.ly link as the link for people to click. Let's just say 10 a week to click that link. It'll show Google that people are coming from social. They're looking for you and they're clicking a link and finding your business and they're satisfying the search. You're going to see your Google rankings start to go up just within a week or two. You'll notice that right away. So in step 2, what you want to do is you want to try to get reviews. So this is the best way I found to get Google reviews. I go to a website called whitespark.ca. And I go to Tools, and I go to Review Link Generator. Put in your business name, mine is Mindsaw, and it creates a short link for you. And what this does is it just goes right to your review page. So if somebody, you could text this link to someone. So if you're going to ask them for a review, sometimes I give them a little template or a head start, right? So I already wrote this out. You see, I'm trying to rank in Tampa, Florida, and in New York City. So I'm having some of my clients, if they'd like to write, they found me in Tampa, some they found me in New York, and they write that in the Google review. And then when somebody's looking for an SEO company in Tampa, or they're looking for a website design firm in New York, I have a better chance of showing up in the Google 3-pack because my review mentions that that's what I do. Last thing you want to do is create a Google post. So as an example, I'd like to show you how I like to create posts. I would create my Google My Business post exactly like this. Put the keyword that you're trying to rank up on top first. Get a nice image. Get one of your quotes, one of your reviews. Put in the address with the website, areas we service. Link to your city page. I use the Wikipedia. And then you want that bit.ly link back to the keyword that you're trying to rank for. If you'd like to work with us, please call us. My numbers are right here. We'll be happy to work with you. We do a free local SEO evaluation for your website. Thank you, guys.